Another great thing about Hydrotrim is it's a 90-degree corner. It's made for outside 90-degree corners. However, as you all know, there's a whole bunch of outside off angles too. And this corner can also do outside off angles. Here's the trick to that. You just take cut it to length, and if you're going to do an outside off angle, all you do is come up and you smash it. Then what you want to do is kind of dry fit it first. Bring it back to a little sharper angle. Okay, just make sure that it's, before you put water on it, that it's going to lay down right. Okay, so that's perfect. Then spray your water. Okay, when I smashed it, I kind of bent the flange here, so I'm just going to kind of cut this off right there. That's it. An off angle, perfect, straight, crisp, using a 90-degree corner. Another speed test here. Here we go. 4 sticks. This is what's so nice about this sprayer, is you don't have to keep hand pumping it like the other corner. So got it on. Get it into place. Come back with the roller. Once again, concentrate on making sure you're square with the roller. You don't want to kick it out. And I'm putting a lot of pressure on the roller because I really want to get the adhesive really embedded into the gypsum board. That's it.